Welcome to the Alaska, Santa Fe, and Pacific's Model Railroad. Thanks for coming. All right, everybody. We have a package that came in, so we're going to do an unboxing. So let me grab the box. Anybody taking guesses as to what we got here? I could show you the label. My knife doesn't want to go in the crack. Just a second here. Get in there. There we go. All right. It says this is a Southern Pacific Legacy Berkshire, number 3506, serial number, control number 2231380. So it's definitely a Lionel. And there's the orange box. Everybody can probably see that, I think. There you go. We'll dump it out here on the floor so we don't get the box messed up. I got Butch here with me. He wanted to see it run, so he's gonna stay till I get it out of the box, and then he's gonna run back home to Columbia. Let's see, is this the end or is it the other end? Gotta be this one. Too much tape. It just causes a bag to get ripped up. Give me a break. All right, here goes. Okay. Open it up this way, I guess. Get that flap out of there. They certainly do pack them well, don't they? Except for the one I saw from Hennessy's trains, or Hemmings trains. They had a customer send one back, and it had a forklift hole right through the box. So they weren't real happy with that one. But the post office did that for them. Come on. Get off there. There we go. Alright, there's the owner's manual. This was my first Berkshire. I've got lots of steam engines, but no Berkshires. So, there's the fender. Boy, that's funny feeling plastic they got. It's like a rubber. You gotta feel this. Grab that.
Wow.
Doesn't that feel weird?
Yeah.
Yeah, it's a rubber wrap they got on here instead of plastic. Anyway, there's the tender. Nice looking tender. Oops. Get that foam sheet out of there. If I can get a hold of it. Huh. They really got that thing jammed in there. There we go. One more down here. All right. So we'll put it on the track right here. Put all of the packing racks back in here. That's some weird stuff, man. It's like a rubber cellophane. Feels funny. And here comes the Bert. Get it out of the box here. Can't find the end of these flaps. That's the problem with it. It's like a saran wrap, but it's rubber. Boy, oh boy, the stuff that they get in here. You got to be real careful with this one. You can't even get it out. It goes this way, I guess. Okay. One more piece here. There we go. There she is, boys and girls. 3506. Got cab engineers in there. So let's put it on the track. And then we'll run it here in a minute. Okay, we got it on the track, got power. Let's see if we can get this thing to start up and do its thing. We're gonna do it engine one, because I believe that's what the, let me get my other controller. This one needs to be charged. So it should be engine one if it's factory. There she goes, started right up.
All right.
That sounds different. All right, I got a sensor track here. We're gonna run it forward real slow.
Not smoking.
So it can go over the sensor track. And you should be able to see the, when this goes through. Well, it should have read the engine, but it didn't. Wonder why. Well, it did. Southern Pacific, there it is. Southern Pacific Berkshire. So it read the train as it went over the track. Now I can reprogram it later for the right number I want to do it, but let's see what it's got for sound and goodies.
Dispatcher, am I cleared to the outbound? Over.
Hold for signal indication. Dispatcher out.
Better tense that fire while we're waiting. Gonna be a hard pull ahead.
Let's put it in reverse. Okay, we're going to stop it and we'll run down and hook up to some cars on it. So we'll do that in a minute. Okay, we got a train pulling. Go pick up the caboose.
Yeah, streaming what's
Huh?
the stream? What's the stream? Just come what's the stream? What's the stream?
It probably does. I can change what. I'll figure that out. See, that's why I like running this stuff. should read through the sensor again. A trio of iron horses.
See you next trip, dispatcher. 4014 out.
This is Union Pacific 3977. We're tied down and marking off. Out.
Dispatcher, going to sign the register book. Out.
Thanks for watching. Come back again.